Hey there, I have something incredibly exciting to share with you. Introducing the Economy.bot, your go-to AI chatbot for real-time economy and market-related questions. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is Economy.bot? Well, it's a powerful artificial intelligence chatbot designed to provide you with up-to-the-minute insights into the world of economics and financial markets. Whether you're an investor, a student, or just someone curious about the economy, this is the tool for you. Now let's see what response I got when I asked about which currency expected to do well in next week. Let's see what response I got. In the upcoming week, the Chinese yuan, Australian dollar, and euro are expected to perform well in the global market. This is due to a combination of factors such as positive economic data, improving risk sentiment, and potential monetary policy changes. Starting with the Chinese yuan, investors are looking ahead to Chinese inflation and trade figures next week to guide the economic and monetary policy outlook in the country. This, coupled with the recent depreciation of the offshore yuan past 7.15 per dollar, suggests that the Chinese currency may see some gains in the upcoming week. Moving on to the Australian dollar, investors will also be keeping an eye on Australia's inflation data next week for cues on the Reserve Bank of Australia's next policy moves. Moreover, the Australian dollar has been hovering near its lowest levels in over 2 weeks due to a rebound in the US dollar. However, with the recent data reinforcing the view that the UK economy remains resilient, the Australian dollar may see a boost in the upcoming week. Lastly, the euro is also expected to do well in the next week. Recent data from Germany and France has shown increases in their inflation rates, indicating a positive economic outlook. Furthermore, the euro held steady around the $1.10 mark, as investors processed a slew of inflation and PMI data alongside the Federal Reserve's December meeting minutes. This suggests that the euro may continue to perform well in the upcoming week. Can you believe how detailed the response is? It's seriously fascinating, isn't it? Discover the full potential of Economy.bot. Visit now. Thank you.